everyone, we are in the exercise 10. Find the max number. Write a Python program that finds the maximum number in a given list. Let's create this. This is the last exercise we are going to create. I think that everyone understands the concept until now, but let's try to make it and master it. Okay, pause the video and try to create it by yourself, and after that continue watching the video. Take it as like an exam that you understand the concept of the for and try to do this. Okay, we create a list and gave it the numbers 7, 8, 9 and 12 and 2, 10 here. We want to have the max number in a given list. Some of you may say we have list max list. We have the max and we can put the list here. You are right. The answer is easy, but I want you to write it as a for. How? We just write for x in list. Okay, we say that like this. For x in list. How we are going to solve it? We are going to say if, let's say, how we are going to solve it. Let's say we have y that is equal to list item 0. Let's say if x is bigger than y, just y is equal to x. And at the end print y. Now let's run it. Some of you may think it's not working right. You see, it giving us answer. What we are going to do, we are here, we say y is equal to 1, okay? And here we say for every x in a list. You saw that if the x is bigger than the y we have, just exchange the y with the x. And by we at first think about and see which one of these two numbers is bigger. And we put the bigger number and save it. And then we think which one of these two numbers is bigger. And then put the bigger one. And then we do the calculation until the end. That thing happened. Okay, this is the end of this exercise. It's really easy and good feeling to make it. But this is not the end of the way for you. I want you to exercise more and more to be better at it. But after this lesson, we are going to continue our course, and we are going to go for while loops, function, lambda, and arrays, and go to end. And we are already near of the end of our Python beginner course, but I want you to focus and ask me if you have any question in the comments. I will probably answer you in 1 day. But until tomorrow that we continue our course, don't forget to like and subscribe and train your mind. Until then, have a good time.